The number to remember when you're measuring a countertop is 144, because you're going to measure your countertop in inches and you will need to be able to convert it into square feet. 1 square feet is 144 square inches. So if you have an L-shaped countertop, if you simply make it an imaginary line, break it down and make it simple. Now I have 2 rectangles that all I have to measure. So if I measure this part of the countertop, and it is 98 inches, and I measure this part of the countertop and it's 41, then it's simply 41 times 98, divide by your 144, and will give you an exact square footage of what this rectangle is. But now that I've divided it, it made it simple to measure this piece. I simply do 39 inches by 25.5 inches, multiply one times the other, divide by 144, and we'll give you the square feet. Add the 2 square footage together, and you have the exact square footage of an L-shaped countertop.